everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and in today's video we're going to explore one of those small little secrets of Google Chrome. Are you ever browsing the internet or researching a topic and find a website or an article that you really want to read, but you just don't have the time to devote to it right in that specific moment, and you don't want to delete it and you don't want to lose it? So you may find yourself writing down that URL, which could be very, very long, or you can paste it somewhere on a document, on a Google Keep note, or bookmarking it for future reference, which are all okay practices. But Google Chrome has recently made this process a little bit more streamlined and efficient. So they've added a tool called the reading list. And the reading list can be found in the top area near where your Chrome extensions are located. So in that top right hand area, and we'll look at it in just a moment. So the list can also be synced with your Google profile. So when you go to any device, you can get that reading list, and it gives you access anytime, anywhere on your mobile devices or desktop devices. So meet me over in Google Chrome in just a moment, and we'll take a look. So here we are in Google Chrome, and we're here on my website on one of my blog posts. So say you have ran across it, but you don't have time to read this post right now. So you want to add it to your reading list. So we're going to navigate up here to the right hand corner, as I said, where the extensions are. And I'm going to click what looks like this little page that has the little side panel here. So you can hide it or you can show it, and it's going to bring up a whole entire side panel here. And it contains what we call a reading list. You can also find your bookmarks right here. So to add the tab that I'm on in order to come back to read this article later, I'm just going to simply add current tab. So I want to be where I want to come back to, and I'm going to click add current tab. And notice right there, 10 ways to catch the wakelet wave. I'll be able to come back. So now if I close that and then I go anywhere else and open a new tab, I can open my reading list, and there's my articles, and you can see some that I have previously saved. So again, let's demonstrate it one more time. So I'm going to go over here to Casey Bell's Shake Up Learning site, and I want to read this post about 15 ways to use drop-down menus in Google Docs. So I'm just going to be here, scroll through it. I may not have time to read it right now, so I'm just going to add it to current tab. Then again, I can close it, go anywhere else I would like, and then I can open it. Now I can do several things here. I can delete with the X, or I can mark it as read. So let's say I've come down here and I have read this one. I'm just going to mark it, and it will add it to the pages I've read, and it will archive those until you delete them. Now if I want to come back and read the 10 ways to catch the wakelet wave, I can just click it, and then it will load that page right there for me, and then later I can mark it as read as I see fit. So that is the reading list. So it's in the top right hand corner. Just click what looks like the side panel to show it or hide it, and then you can also find your bookmarks in that tab. Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned something just quick and useful that you can put to use, especially during the summer break time, during the school year, for all those articles you want to come back and read later. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so you're able to find more of my videos for your tech learning needs. And I hope you have a great day. Be blessed, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.